Driving. Want to go down the slide? Want to go down there? Me down? I'm going to go down the slide. You want to go?
Did you get me? What are you looking for? Oh, food?
He wants you to go play over there.
Oh, you want me to go with you? Okay, you lead the way and I'll follow.
Driving?
Are you driving a big truck?
Have you noticed when Parker goes kind of like this to get a smile?
Yeah.
Let's put him on that yellow thing with the smiley face
Oh, genius.
and get a picture of him kind of smiling with it next to it. Just a standstill, doesn't have to be video.
One more.
Does Andy have something funny in his hand?
I think that might have worked.
No, what?
You crossed the bridge!
Hey, you did it. Yeah, that was so fun, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, we just crossed the
Did
bridge.
you do that bridge? Can I see you do it again?
Let's go with enthusiasm.
Good job, Parker.
Okay, come back.
You
Yay.
want to come back? There you go. That was so much fun.
You did it. I say this.
Celebration.
I can't
I
believe
saw
you went
that.
over that bridge.
Good job. Good job to you, Andy.
I think he wants to go back to the yellow. Yeah, he's going for it. All right.
Our leader has spoken.